There was also a ruling several years, well, quite a few years back, as a result of a federal regulation that required drug testing for people with commercial driver's licenses. It was a federal regulation. Everybody had to conform. But because we didn't bargain it properly, so to speak, and because the Labor Relations Board got into the act, we now have to pay $100 to every person who has a drug test. This is the same thing. If we were changing coverage, if we were denying some coverage, if we were altering the plans, certainly it's a negotiable item. But it galls me to no end that 5% of the employees, 5% of the employees want to hang on to this master medical, and that costs the other 95% of the employees. And the Labor Relations Board says we have to negotiate it. We're not changing anything. We're just making people pay for what they want. Now, I drive a 2002 Ford pickup out there. I like it. It's got less than 100,000 miles on it. It runs good. Maybe I should go buy a 2010 and walk down through town and say, everybody kick in a couple $100 because I want a new pickup. I mean, that's the only analogy that I can come up with here. If people want master medical, fine, we shouldn't deny it. That's great. But make them pay for it. Make them pay for what they want. It galls me to no end, and this is the type of thing that I'm sure pushes cities and towns to GIC. I'm sure this is the type of thing that just rubs people the wrong way and pushes them to go into the Commonwealth insurance plan. And I know there's a question of you can't decrease the level of coverage, so there has to be equal coverage. I understand that, but this is just incomprehensible. I cannot for the life of me understand. I could understand it clearly if we were altering somebody's plan, but we're just making them pay what they should pay because that's what they want. And it is grossly unfair. And I urge you to appeal it. I don't know if it's going to be successful or not, but I urge you to appeal it.